In this video, I am going to show you how to add your bank account in Bybit. Step 1. Open your Bybit app. If you're new, consider using a link to sign up for a new account. Step 2. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section on Bybit. Select the Fiat Deposit option. Here, you can specify the amount you wish to deposit. Choose a payment method that allows for bank account transactions. In the example, iDeal is used, which is popular in the world. Proceed by clicking Continue, and then select your bank account from the provided list. The available options will vary depending on your country. After choosing your bank, click Next, agree to the necessary terms by checking the appropriate box, and then continue to complete the payment process. This action effectively links your bank account to use it for future Bybit deposits. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. This video